When children act out stories to music, they feel it in their whole body, not just in their heads. Like this song about the butterfly. If I were a butterfly, I'd flutter high into the sky. Or children might use instruments to dramatize a story. The tortoise is so slow, and the hare's so fast, zip, zip, fast, hare's so fast, zip, zip, fast. Music is a wonderful way to learn about language, about counting and sequences, and of course about stories. I hope you'll come and join me for music.